Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn typing at home with a laptop. First, set up your workspace ergonomically. Adjust your chair and laptop screen to a comfortable height, ensuring your feet are flat on the floor. Keep your wrists straight and fingers gently curved over the home row keys. This foundational posture is crucial for developing speed and preventing strain during your typing journey. To truly master typing, prioritize accuracy before chasing speed. Start with short, focused practice sessions, aiming for about 15 to 20 minutes each day. Consistency is key, so try to make it a daily habit. Incorporate fun typing games into your routine. They can significantly boost engagement and help reinforce muscle memory without feeling like a chore. Once you've established basic accuracy, it's time to boost your speed. The goal is to type without looking at the keyboard, relying solely on touch. Engage with advanced lessons that introduce more complex words and sentences. Regularly take typing tests to measure your words per minute and accuracy percentage. This feedback helps you identify areas for improvement and celebrate your progress. Maintaining good typing habits is essential for long-term success. Remember to take short breaks every 30 to 45 minutes during extended typing sessions to rest your eyes and hands. Always uphold proper ergonomic posture to prevent strain and discomfort. Even after achieving your desired speed, occasional practice will ensure your skills remain sharp and efficient for all your laptop tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.